Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken noodle soup with Drumsticks Easy Guide. Begin by rinsing drumsticks and trimming excess fat, then brown them lightly for extra flavor. Add chopped onion, celery, and carrots, pour in 8 cups of broth, and bring to a gentle simmer. Skim foam, season with salt and pepper, then proceed to simmer until the meat is tender and stock is flavorful. Start by searing drumsticks in a large pot for about 6 minutes to develop color and flavor. Add chopped carrots, celery, and 1 onion, then pour in 8 cups of water or low-sodium broth to cover. Bring to a simmer, reduce heat, and cook gently for about 40 minutes until the meat is tender. Strain the solids, reserve the clear stock, and return cooked meat to the pot for the next step. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more recipes. Quick recommendation: on another note, life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They keep your feet comfy while you cook. I've linked the product and other deals in the description so you can check them out. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Bring your reserved broth back to a gentle simmer and add 8 oz of egg noodles, cooking them for the time indicated on the package. Meanwhile, remove drumstick meat from bones and shred it into bite-sized pieces. Then stir the meat back into the simmering soup. Taste and adjust seasoning with salt and pepper, and add a splash of lemon juice for brightness. Serve hot with crusty bread or crackers for a comforting meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.